How to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Account Tools. Click on Account, type in Tools, and then click on Switch to Professional Account. Click on Next, select what best describes you, then make sure it's Business and press on Next. After you have switched your account to Professional Account, go to your profile, click on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, you will find Bio. Click on Bio and you will be able to add longer bio. This is how to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.